We are checking out a 1 BHK in Payal apartment. We keep coming back here because we love this neighborhood and locality. This is Versova Yari Road, Payal, very close to the, it's edging towards the 7 bungalows right next to Amaranth and Badrinath towers. Those are the iconic towers. Really quiet and pristine and a great neighborhood and a green locality. Let's go and have a look at a 1 BHK in Payal apartment, neighbor of Silver Mist. As you can see, greenery all around. So A and B wing Payal apartment, recently renovated and refurbished. It looks pristine. It has really lengthened its life. Now let's go and have a look at a 1 BHK fully furnished with electronics in one of the wings. Lovely, calm and peaceful. We're seeing a beautifully furnished 1 BHK, a lovely, gorgeous one with so much light ventilation. This is Payal. We keep coming back here. It's an amazing and a great complex and a lovely apartment. Have a look at this. This is a living space, fully furnished. Everything you get. Lock, stock and barrel, hook, line and sinker. That's what it is. Even outside you get a lot of quiet atmosphere, greenery, verdant area, fantastic design aesthetics and amazing tones and accents and colors. We entered from here. It's Vastu compliant. Have a look at everything again because we love the elegance, the birds chirping around. There's always like that. Out here you got a dining space and the kitchen. Very well designed. It was designed about 5 years ago. Now they're selling it because they want to expand, they want to upgrade and go to a bigger apartment. Have a look, modular kitchen with high top quality wood and everything that you see, storage area as well with the burners, and you know you got the shelves, very neatly and nicely organized. Everything is fabulous and fantabulous. Have a look at the greenery. This is tremendous. What a lovely apartment. Have a look. So everything remains. Couple of things will go away, just like the antique things and probably the television. That's it. You got a 1 bathroom with 1 BHK with the shower area. So the shower is also there. There you go. Amazing. And the bedroom. So it looks like wooden flooring, but it's different kind of flooring as well. Have a look at the wardrobes. They are unique. They are big, floor to ceiling. That's what you require normally. Ample of privacy, ample of comfort and luxury it offers. You slide this open. A lot of people have extended the balcony, but not this one. So the charm remains. The beauty remains of the balcony. The greenery. Have a look at the roads as well. The streets, they're quiet. You won't find cars running along all the time. This is the bedroom. Sensational and beatific. So 1 BHK in Payal, advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to come have a look at this, holla at me. This is Yari Road, Versova, and I love Versova. Cheers.